Hello children, let us see tenses with examples. What are the three tenses we learned? Past, present, future. So in all these three, we have four tenses in each. That is simple past, simple present, simple future. Same way you have past continuous, present continuous, future continuous. Then you have past perfect, present perfect, future perfect. Then past perfect continuous, present perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. See, let us not confuse everything. Let us make it simple. அதாவது மூணு டென்ஸ் பேசிக்காக நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம். Past, present, future. Past na already it is over. Present, daily, everyday happenings. Future, something that is going to happen. அது மட்டும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. So simple past என்றது simple present, simple future. That only we will focus on first. Then we will go to continuous. Okay, and also remember the keywords for each. இப்போ பாஸ்ட் மட்டும் சொல்கிறேன். பாஸ்ட் யூ ஹாவ் ஃபோர். சிம்பிள் பாஸ்ட், பாஸ்ட் கண்டினியூஸ், பர்ஃபெக்டில் ரெண்டு, பாஸ்ட் பர்ஃபெக்ட், பாஸ்ட் பர்ஃபெக்ட் கண்டினியூஸ். ஓகே, சிம்பிள் பாஸ்ட் மீன்ஸ் இஸ் நார்மல். தட் இஸ் go. Go is the basic word here, base word, verb. Yes. So go will become went. She went to temple yesterday. Continuously enna keyword? ing. So past continuously she was going to temple. ing. Still happening, not over. அந்த மாதிரி வரும்போது ing வரும். Then perfect enna keyword? has, have, had. இது மூணு தான் வரும் வேர்ட்ஸ். பாஸ்ட் பார்ட்டிசிபிள் வேர்டை யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ go, went, gone. has, have ஓட வரும்போது gone வரும். when you will use has, have, had and all? perfect வரும்போது. that is past perfect, present perfect, future perfect. எல்லாத்துக்கும் has, have, had யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். but had will come for past. only had. what is the keyword here? had. perfectக்கு had. perfect continuousக்கு had been. continuously ing வருது. she had gone to temple. she had been going to temple. had been. so had is the keyword. past perfect. perfect nale has, have, had. past perfect na only had. okay, and in continuous you have had been. see here, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, all the three. For past perfect you have had. Present and future you have has and have. when you will use has and have? singular plural. I வரும்போது have, மற்றபடி சிங்குலருக்கு has, pluralக்கு have. okay, they have. சரியா? ஸோ பாஸ்ட் பர்ஃபெக்ட்டுக்கு எப்பவுமே had தான். had is a keyword. next present. presentல இருக்கிற ஃபோர் இது பார்க்கலாம். அதாவது சிம்பிள் ப்ரெசன்ட், சிம்பிள் ப்ரெசன்ட், எவ்ரிடே ஹேப்பனிங். ஷீ கோஸ் டு ஸ்கூல், ஷீ ப்ரஷஸ் த டீத். ஓகே, ப்ரெசன்ட் கண்டினியூவஸ். ப்ரெசண்ட்டில் கண்டினியூவஸ். அப்போது கோஸ் வந்து கோயிங். அப்போ ஷீ கோயிங் டு டெம்பிள். கரெக்டாக அது சென்டென்ஸு? she going to temple. she is going. so you will use the word is plus verb. is going. she is going. present na is varnam. and what is the other one? other word, what is that you can use? plural ke are. they are. so in this part you can use are. when it is plural you use are. they are going. she is going. அப்போ ing வரும்போது is are வரணும் ப்ரெசண்ட்டில். Pastலனா where was, that is separate. Okay. So here perfect. Present perfect. Present perfectல என்ன வரும்? She has. I told you has will come for has and have will come. She has gone to temple. They வந்ததுன்னா have. They have. Then continuous. Perfectல continuous. Perfectல has வரணும், continuousல ing வரணும். She has going வராது. She has been going. அப்போ has been add பண்ணணும். Perfectக்கு has, perfect continuousக்கு has been. Then future. Futureல you have 4. Simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Simple future. Futureல நடக்க போகுது. So will use பண்ணணும். This is the keyword. Keyword is will. I will study English. Continuously ing. அப்போ I will studying Englishல. I will be studying English. Then perfectly what I told you, you have to use has, have. So here I வரதுனால I will have studied English. Yes. I will have been studying ing here. Studying English. I will have been studying. Will have been. Will use பண்ணோம். Will have. So make it more clearer. See here. Past, present, future. Okay va? So simple past. Pastல என்ன வரும்? Studyக்கு studied. Presentல study, studies. Futureல will study. இதுதான் நம்ம basic. Past, present, future, simple is the basic. Simple past, simple present, simple future. Next என்ன படிச்சோம்? Continuous. So continuously the study will become studying. She was studying. She is studying. She will be studying. So ing use பண்ணும்போது was வந்ததுன்னா that is past continuous. Is studying அப்படின்னா present continuous. Futureல will be. Will you have to use the keyword. Will be. So ing வரும்போது will be. Perfectல has, have, had I told. So pastல had studied. Presentல has studied, have studied. Future will have studied. எல்லாமே இந்த studied இந்த வேர்டு பாஸ்டில் தான் வரும். பட் has, have கேத்த மாதிரி present perfectா future perfectா you have to see. Okay. Study will become studied with has. Has plus verb. Has plus verb. Had plus verb. Pastக்கு had plus verb. அதே மாதிரி perfect continuous. Pastல வந்து had been. Presentல has been, have been. Futureல will have been. Okay. So in this way simply you can learn. அதாவது whatever the word is, the basic word first மாற்றணும். Okay. For example, the basic word is go. Okay. When you change the basic word, it will pastல என்ன ஆகுது? Went. Past participle gone. Okay. Participle go will become went, gone. Study will study, studied. Not will studied, studied. Here also studied. Okay. Will not come. So go will become went and gone in past participle. When you are using this perfectல மட்டும்தான் gone use பண்றோம். For this keyword is has, have. Past இருந்தா had, only had. And continuous, when you are saying continuous, this will become studying. ing formula வரும் studying. Okay, continuous la it can be past continuous, present continuous, future continuous. Okay, ing form varanum. அப்போ ing form வரும்போது was, is, these words should come, will be. Okay, and if it is perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, அந்த மாதிரி வரும்போது had been, has been, will have been. This is how the verb is changed. First change the verb base formலேருந்து verb change பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Change பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா அந்த verb it is முதல்ல வந்து all the 12 tenses you need not confuse. You learned simple present, simple future, simple past. Then you go to continuous. Continuous is ing. ing form you have to use. Then next one is perfect. Perfect la has, have, had varum. Past la mattum da had varum. Okay, and next one is you have to learn perfect la continuous. Perfect continuous is same thing, ing form. So basic you learn, then you can go one by one and complete the 12 tenses. Thank you children.